Priscilla Thompson reporting for us there. Back here at home, we are keeping you weather aware. Live look right now over Charlotte Motor Speedway. The sun is out in the full force. The skies are blue. We are nearing triple digits today, already at 91 degrees. Chris joins us once again. He's tracking the impact on your weekend plans. Chris.
And the hottest day is today, Ben. So it will technically get a little bit better heading into the weekend, where we're hovering mainly in the lower 90s to the upper 80s. But still, how humid it is going to make a big difference. So today is the hottest day. Heat index values are ranging from anywhere 104 to 107 during the afternoon. And storm chances are increasing today and through the weekend. Today's highs, I have a high of 99 degrees. Still trying to crack that 100-degree mark. And 99 would match our hottest day so far in 2024. Now, yesterday officially we hit 96, so technically in the top 5. So back-to-back days in the top 5 warmest, but I think we're for sure going to be topping that top mark. Now, say if I'm wrong. Say if we do hit 100 degrees, I think some cloud cover is going to temper these expectations. But the last time we were at 100 degrees plus here in Charlotte was 744 days ago. That was back on June 22nd, 2022. So yeah, it's been a minute. Today's big threat, besides the heat, is also going to be the storm potential. We're now under a low risk from Monroe all the way up to the mountains for storms to develop. I think this is mainly an evening event, but we'll get to that. And then the highest risk is going to be north and northwest of us around Bristol, Virginia, and even Boone is included in that. So here's what it looks like for our future cast. We're seeing those storms really start to flourish and start to push their way in. I would say after 6 for the Charlotte area, before 6 really from Lincolnton off towards the north and west. Our severe weather risk is only for today. Outside of that, tomorrow and Sunday, the Storm Prediction Center hasn't given any specifics of this, but to put this in context, earlier this morning, it was just the mountains that were under a yellow. This expanded. So don't be surprised if tomorrow they might expand this into a low risk for severe storms. The main threats will be some gusty winds, maybe some isolated larger hail as well, but certainly some heavy downpours. We need the rain, but not all at once. So hour by hour for tomorrow, we're still weather aware for the heat with high temperatures around 90 degrees, but then add about another 10 degrees on how we actually feel. Don't overexert yourself. But this also comes with the storm threat that could start as early as 1 o'clock. So here's what it looks like. For one, we're seeing a chance for storms, as I mentioned, after 6. It moves through the Charlotte area about 9 to 10. Still could have some lingering heading into the evening. But tomorrow morning, I think that we're going to start off dry. Maybe a leftover storm before the sun rises up. But notice this, right around noon, I think you're seeing some darker cloud bottoms. Once you get to about 2 o'clock, storms are starting to thrive across the area. I think they're most prevalent, especially south and southeast of Charlotte. So notice within the 485 loop, you might hear some distant thunder, but it might not necessarily be impacting your neighborhood. But this is going to be a complicated forecast that at any point really from 2 to 8 o'clock, there could be storms, say, downpouring in Matthews, but you're fine in Huntersville. And then you could do the old switcheroo heading into the evening. So just call it scattered storms starting at around 1 to 2 o'clock, and then they'll be on and off through the evening. I think that this storm complex sticks around a little bit longer through the overnight, where we could have some lingering showers to start off your Sunday morning, but then yet again, storms could fire up. But Sunday looks like they form a little bit earlier. We hit a break, and then there's a much better chance for thunderstorms by your Sunday evening. So if you have any outdoor plans, this is not a great setup, but there are plenty of windows that you can get outside, and when thunder roars, just get indoors. And we're going to keep our rain chances around going forward for the rest of the week. That we have a widespread rain chance, especially for your Sunday evening. Rain's likely still on Saturday, Monday, Thursday. The reason why these are much higher than they otherwise have been is the front that's settled across the area, but also the pure moisture that's going on. Quick update on Hurricane Beryl. Beryl officially is a Category 1 storm. Winds sustained at 85 miles per hour. It is smack dab right in the center of the Yucatan Peninsula, so it is just hammering Cancun and surrounding areas. It's going to move back into the Gulf, re-intensify likely as a tropical storm, but here's the cause of concern. Notice how it slows down and just spirals here in Texas. We saw this with the Harvey situation. Not saying it's going to be anywhere close to that, but all that moisture is going to sit. So we're looking at big flooding concerns for eastern side of Texas. That's going to turn into a big story on top of the heat that has already been happening. But luckily the rain will cool things down, but it's at a big cost. So our Guy Roofing 7-day forecast, weather aware the next couple of days, still a chance for storms on Sunday, but then we're back to normal. We should be around 90 degrees this time of July. That average high moves up to 91, and that's pretty much where we're going to be. Anywhere from 88 to 91 with a chance of a thunderstorm to pop mid to late afternoon heading into the evening. So summer as usual.